Hi, it's Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading account on Avatrade. Let's get started. At the end of the video, I will tell you one pro trading technique to ensure you minimize your losses. Avatrade was founded in 2006 and is home to over 200,000 registered global customers. With over 2 million trades a month that value in at over $60 billion in trade value. Their vision is to empower people to trade and invest with as much confidence as possible in a reliable environment. Their offices are located across 10 different countries, with their headquarters located in Dublin, Ireland. Today, I am going to show you how to set up a demo trading account with Avatrade. Firstly, head over to their website at www.avatrade.com. Next, you'll want to click on the Register Now button at the top right of the page. Next, fill in your email and create a password. You will then be required to fill out some personal information before you gain access to the Avatrade main account page. Fill in that personal information such as your birthday and phone number. You will be asked a few additional questions such as your occupation and estimated annual income. After you have filled out all your information, click on Complete Registration. After a few seconds, you will be redirected to the Avatrade main account page. You will be asked to fund your account. However, we are creating a demo account, so just click on Do It Later. Next, because we're looking at a demo account, you will want to click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top of the page and select Switch to Demo. And that's it. This is the Avatrade main demo account page. On the middle left of the page, you can change your graph types from candle, bar, or line chart. At the top left of the page, you have your main trading window, where you can see the most rising, falling, buying, and selling trends, as well as what is trending. Just below that is your positions page, where you can view any of your active positions, orders, and your trading history. There is also a section at the bottom left where you can view video tutorials on how to use Avatrade's web trader, as well as a live chat function that can help you get in touch with support client staff to answer any questions you have or help you with any problems you may encounter. On the middle of the page, you can see your currency pairs and how they are doing against one another. You can buy and sell from right here. At the top right of the page, you can see your balance. Keep in mind that this is just virtual money for demo trading purposes, which allows you to practice trading in a simulated environment. Avatrade features a variety of trading platforms, such as MetaTrader 4, 5, Avatrade Go, Ava Options, web trading, mobile trading, and Apple Mac trading. They also allow you to use a variety of trading educational tools to help you educate yourself and become a better trader. There are a variety of video tutorials you can watch as well, and some trading tools which can help you, such as a forex calculator, economic calendar, and more. One pro trading technique to ensure you minimize your losses is that you should always have a stop loss order. This is your backstop when markets turn on you and aren't in your favor. Rather wait 24 hours before you see a pattern to trade on. Subscribe to our channel now for more upcoming helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open your account now, simply follow the link in the description. Good luck.